What's up guys, this is IK from IMK Technical Hub, and today in this video we will be doing the unboxing of Levi's belt and Levi's wallet. These are both genuine leather belt and genuine leather wallet that comes from Levi's, and I have this purchase via AJIO.com, and the best price link for this is in description. So let's open the package and see our Levi's belt and Levi's wallet. So I'm cutting from this side. So I have also ordered one t-shirt that comes inside this, so keep this aside and let's come to our wallet and the belt. This is an invoice, so I will keep this aside and let's see our belt. So friends, you can see this is the belt. This is an reversible belt. That means the buckle is reversed for two different textures of the leather, the brown and black. So I will show you. So let's remove this and let's see our belt. You can see this is a genuine leather belt. So this one is black shade, and here you can see this one is brown shade. So I will show you. Wait. So friends, you can see this is a buckle. So the main advantage of buying this type of belt that you can rotate it like this. So you can see you can also get this black texture, and also this one is brown texture. So if you wear a black jeans or black pant, then you can switch to this black color, and if you wear some brown like textured dress, then you can revert it to this brown texture. So overall you can see this is a Levi's belt and it's a genuine piece, and the size is 34, reversible. And I will show you some informations. You can see Levi's, and here are some informations. 100%, you can see 100% full grain bovine leather, and this is made in India. And also show you this sticker. You can see manufactured and packed by Vyari Exports Private Limited. Only buying online, always there is a issue that you will get the manufacturing date is August 2017 and this one is 19. Overall quality wise is good. There is no issue with the belt. You can see the belt is genuine and it's a leather, and also it is lightweight and not too heavy, and the buckle is made of metal, but the plating here is nickel plating, and this plating is very good that this will not rust, because Levi's has always sell their quality products and never compromise with quality. So this is the reversible belt from Levi's. You can rotate like this. You can see this is a rotate mechanism, so you can easily rotate this belt. So friends, if you want to purchase this, the best price link for this Levi's belt is in video description. And friends, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this belt, and let's come to our wallet. So I will keep this belt aside and let's come to our wallet of Levi's. So friends, you can see this is a tin box, as Levi's wallet always comes in a tin box. So keep this aside. So friends, you can see tin box and you can see the logo Levi's, and on the back you will see some informations that I want to show you. So you can see the pricing is here is 1919 rupees, 99 rupees, and manufactured and packed by Hind Rubber Factory, and it was marketed by Levi Strauss India Private Limited. And here are also some informations that you can check, and also friend, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this product, that these products are genuine or not. I think they both are genuine products, as no issue I can see. So you can see this is a Levi's bifold wallet. So you can see the manufacturing is November 2018 and MRP is 1999 rupees. I will give the best price link for this wallet as well in video description, and also you can see some barcode which you can also scan and tell me in the comment section. And also one sticker here, Levi's. So it's also 100% genuine leather. So you can see the texture of this wallet. So you can see this is a leather, and it was going inside then outside, and this is a pattern that you can get. And also this one is not, you can see this one you can also see this pattern, and I hope this will not break very easily. And also there is logo, that is Levi's branding here, and this one is metal, and also it has plated with copper or some other material. And also you can see, so here also there is one pocket as well. I think you can see this is a pocket, and here you can also insert your photos and other stuff into this, and that go inside like this. And also friends, you can see from inside here is also given Levi's, and it is also 100% genuine leather. If you can see written here as well, genuine leather. And overall the quality is very good. One pocket here and one here, and here you can insert your cards, and also inside you can see there are two pockets. And overall the quality of this leather is good, and it is also very lightweight, and the quality wise looks very good. And if you want to purchase this, the best price link is in video description. So friends, these are the Levi's belt and Levi's wallet that I purchased by AJIO.com. So friends, if you want to buy this, I will give you the link in description. And friends, this is the unboxing of this Levi's wallet and Levi's belt from AJIO. And friends, I hope this video of unboxing is useful for you. And friends, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe MK Technical Hub channel, so that we can give you these kind of videos. So friends, thanks for watching.